Here are some highlights of our trip to Cologne, Germany in June of 2025. We were taken to all the fun places in Cologne, so even though Cologne has a deep cultural and historical presence, we did the fun stuff, the cute things, and I think that at some point in the future I'd like to go back and see some of the cultural things, the museums and some of the more cultural spots. Really quickly, if you look on the map, you can see the Rhine River, and then you see the white area on the left side of the river just above the bridges. That's where we docked. So we were docked pretty close to the downtown area, which was nice for a change. And it gave us pretty easy access to all of the places that our tour guide wanted to take us. So let's see what we did. So we're docked right at the city entrance, finally, for the first time. So we're in Cologne and we're headed toward the city center. This is a little better, not such a wide angle lens.
The word has zero meaning. Something about the word like not Napoleon, right? It's like
Cologne Town Hall. This is their
and you know how people wear back in the day. You see a beautiful woman on the market, you don't mess around, you don't waste time, you walk right up to her and ask her to marry you on.
perspective. This is the Cathedral of Cologne. Cathedral. Shopping, there is no shortage of it. This is just like one gigantic long street of shops. It's crazy. Candy stores, perfumeries, lots of jewelry, tons of jewelry stores. All the name brands are here, but just look at the insane number of stores and shops. This is a big shop, clearly a big shopping district. And just like all the other tours, we were tired and we trudged back to the ship. But if you ask Robin, we had a little bit of an adventure on the way back, and see if you can get her to tell you about it.